So I decided I want to do like a quick little nighttime POV, quick cutting up drive on the E-way in Mexico, you dig? So let's have a little fun with it, y'all. With the starlights and stuff. Hold on, we gotta put that in sport. Quick top speed. Engine all warm, we good. Fast as it's gonna go right now. So we gotta tune something like that. I ain't got my headset on today, so we thugging in with the phone. Thugging holding the phone, you dig? It's gonna be unedited too, no cuts, just straight through. With the starlights again, man. This phone, let me side of that. Whipping, shout out to my dog, Real Deal Leo. Got the key lock album playing. Hold on, let me switch. Let's put the dyno gauges on, switch hands one time. Performance, launch mode. There you go, and then get to the gauges. Oh, the dyno, my bad. Up, in my way. Downshift with the paddle shift you did. One hand with it. One hand with it. Red line. Well, it wasn't really red line, but you know. Wasting all the gas today, you dig. Downshift still sound crazy in the 5.7. I don't care if nobody say you can still have fun in a 5.7, man. For sure, for sure. No. One-handed with the paddle shit just two. Woo-wee. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Couple cars, we can slow it down real quick. Oh, I messed that up. Here you go. There you go. Oh, it's crazy. Top speed run all the way through. I don't know how long this video gonna be though. Down. Alright, we're gonna go back to regular mode, take out the paddle shift just real quick. Upshift one more time. There you go. Stay in sport. Car over there. Ah, it's a car right here. That ain't work. That's cool, we're gonna get around this. Trap real quick, we're gonna get around it though. Hold on, let's see. Gun it. Woo-wee. And I'm mad it only goes to 118, man. Power just straight cut off when it gets to 118. Look, hold up. And it just stopped. It's cool, I need a tune, I know that. Get more power out of it, a little bit more power out of it. Wish I could play some music right now. That's cool. I got something planned for that. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. wait. They got cut up in the safe way you did in Mexico. Behind this Escalade. Let's see. Got paddle switches on again. We're going to go to fourth gear. Hold on, we're going. Wait. Alright, perfect. We're on my way to. Love these shifts, man. Man, this 8-speed transmission is so cold. I ain't gonna hold you. Dodge did great with that. Don't get in my way. Watch out. And the ride so clean with the stars. You dig, downshift again. Uh-oh, wait, here we go. I ain't no pro yet, y'all. We gonna get there though. We gonna get there. Because race car type or race truck. Gone. And the 5.7 is so reliable too, man. Like, as long as it's like stock and stuff, like I've been here, you can just beat on it and it's like, and it still runs perfectly fine. And that's what I've been doing for a little bit. And the thing, I ain't been having no problems. I ain't been having no problems with it. Uh oh, feds, let me slow it down. Damn, I'm praying for you, my boy. I'm back out. Dip off on him one time just in case he try to catch up. He not though. We out. Woo-wee. And the dyno grab code. In the winter time, no. I saw all-wheel drive is undefeated. Turn real quick, that turn. That boy cutting up low key. Oh, he in my lane, hold on. Back to regular mode, turn off paddle shifters. Doing this with one hand too, y'all, so give me my props. Let me slow it down right here. I go easy on the curves, low key. Out. Dip out, dip out, dip out, we out. Yes, indeed, bro. Don't get in my way, don't get in my way. Woo-wee. I wanted to put my head mount on so I can use both hands, but it's all good. We're gonna thug it out today. That was a dead deer. Rest in peace, Bambi. Not Bambi. back up. Alright, here we go. Man, I'm doing this with the heat on. Hold on, I'm bugging. I ain't get the most power out of it. Turn it off one time. Could y'all tell if I turned the heat off, the power went up a little bit in the dyno? I don't know. I don't even know if the dyno accurate. It seemed like it though. It's definitely dope to have it. I think it's essential for that. For cars like this at least. We slipping. I'll go over there, man. I'll go right here. We're gonna conclude this drive, cutting up POV view almost in the 2021 RT-Rango. I almost said 2023. I'm tripping. But like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy MW2, and we out of here, y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Downshift one time. Yeah, had to end that off for y'all one time. We out of here.